Hi everyone. In this video we'll be looking at how to use the Avada Options Network. This network is made up of the Avada Global Options, the Avada Page Options, and the individual Avada Builder element options. In this video we will explore the relationship between the different groups of options and how to use them when creating your website. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos like this one. And if you don't want to miss one, click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos on our channel. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Options Network is the backbone of Avada, giving you unparalleled control over the design and layout of your site. There are three major groups of options you can configure in Avada. We can see them all here together in the sidebar in Avada Live. They are the global options, the page options, and the individual element options. Let me explain how these options work together. The Avada Global Options, found in the sidebar in Avada Live, or at Avada Options from the back end, are what they say they are, global options. This means that if you set an option here, it will apply to your entire website, unless otherwise overridden. The Avada Page Options, also in the sidebar in Avada Live, and at the bottom of each page in the backend builder, contains various sets of options, which will only affect the individual page or post they are set on. And finally, Avada Builder element options, found in the individual elements, will only affect the single instance of the element you are editing. With the recent introduction of Avada layouts, the global options are not as central as they once were. When using Avada layouts, our easy-to-use templating system, you control the area you are designing, header, footer, etc., completely through the elements used in the layout section itself, and the conditions set for the layout section is assigned to. For example, if we look at the Accountant Prebuilt website, on the Layout Builder page, we can see there are header, page title bar, and footer layout sections applied to the global layout. And if we return to the global options, we can see that the header options, the page title bar options, and the footer options all display a notice explaining that the global options are not available because of the global template overrides in place. But the global options still apply to the vast majority of the site, and are a central part of configuring and styling how you want the site to behave and display. The three option sets in the Avada Options Network are hierarchical. It's important to reiterate that both Avada Page Options and Avada Builder Element Options will override corresponding settings made in the Avada Global Options. Let's look further at the Avada Global Options. Regardless of whether you access them while in Avada Live, or here in the back end, there is a clean and precise user interface that's amazingly easy and quick to use. Each option is clearly defined, described, and logically organized into panels, and the search feature rapidly filters the results from the entire options panel. For example, if I search for rollover, it quickly shows all related options, allowing you to find options much faster than scrolling through the tabs. There are hundreds of options available to you here, and it is one of the reasons Avada is so truly versatile. But searching is often the quickest way of finding what you're looking for. All three areas of the Avada Options Network also use what is known as Avada's Option Network Dependencies. What this means is that the options you see are the only ones currently available for your selection. If you change a selection and more options are available, they will then instantly appear. This feature keeps the options streamlined. For example, if I go to the portfolio options, several options disappear or appear, depending on whether I choose grid or masonry. These dependencies are also found in the page and element options. If I edit this blog element and scroll down to the Show Meta Info option, we can see that if I turn that off, all related options disappear. If you wish, you can turn this feature off. To do this, navigate to Advanced Theme Features, and Avada's Option Network Dependencies is the second option. If you set this to off, then you would always see the full range of options, but this is generally not advisable as some options will be shown that won't work with your current selections. To learn more about the Avada Global Options, please watch the How to Use the Avada Global Options video, linked in the description below. Next, let's look at the Avada Page Options. As previously mentioned, options set here override the global options, but only on the specific page they are changed on. Let's look at an example. If we look at this page on the accounting website, we can see that in the global options under Layout, 60 pixels top and bottom padding is the default page content padding. But if we head to the Avada page options and head to content, the corresponding content padding option is set to 0 pixels top and bottom, overriding the global default on this page. The Avada page options are arranged logically by section and can control a wide range of page areas like the layout, the header, the page title bar, the content area, and the footer. There are also options to assign sliders to individual pages without adding them into the page content, and you can even import and export page options as JSON files so they can be quickly reused. To find out more about the Avada page options, watch the How to Use the Avada Page Options video, linked in the description below. Let's move on to the Avada Builder element options. These are options you can set for the individual elements. Element options can be found in two places. Firstly, there are global element options found in the Avada Global Options under Avada Builder Elements. Here there are a range of global options that can be set for many elements to customize how the element looks out of the box. And then there are the individual element options that apply to any single instance of an element, which you apply when you add or edit the element. To learn more about the Avada Builder element options, please watch the How to Use Avada Builder Element Options video, linked below. Okay, let's summarize. The Avada Global Options offer a wide range of options that will affect your entire website, unless they are specifically overridden. The Avada page options are used for individual pages or posts, and override corresponding options set in the global options for that specific page. Lastly, the Avada Builder element options are set in individual elements, and options set here override any corresponding global element options set in the Avada Builder element section of the global options. Okay, this concludes our tutorial on how to use the Avada Options Network. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.